push him. What if he doesn't stop? Push it, push it, push it, push it! You're good! Oh, he looks big and smelly. You think we gotta fit in that little cab?
We gotta sit in there with him and he stinks.
Does he have gum? I need gum.
I have gum.
Oh God, he's scary looking, Jen. I'm not sitting next to him. I call it outside window.
I'm staying in the car. I'm hiding.
Let's just lay in the back. Where's the card? He's okay. He's not creepy. He just has a big forehead.